Let's explore more essential English vocabulary and context. Agitate. Environmental activists often agitate for stronger regulations to protect natural resources. To agitate means to campaign or push for something. Ally against. This country is an ally against terrorism. An ally is a partner or supporter in a common cause. Amid. He found the letter amid a pile of old books. Amid means in the middle of or surrounded by something. Antibiotic-resistant bacteria. Antibiotic-resistant bacteria are a growing problem. These bacteria do not respond to standard antibiotic treatments. Antibiotics. The doctor prescribed antibiotics for the infection. Antibiotics are medicines used to treat bacterial infections. Be run on more commercial lines. The farm had to be run on more commercial lines. This means operating in a way that focuses on making a profit. Benchmark. This report will serve as a benchmark for future studies. A benchmark is a standard or reference point for comparison. Carbon neutrality. The company aims to achieve carbon neutrality by 2030. Carbon neutrality means balancing carbon emissions with carbon removal. Classify. The librarian needs to classify these books. To classify means to arrange or organize into categories. Cocktail. The scientists developed a cocktail of chemicals. A cocktail is a mixture of different substances. Decay. The fruit began to decay after a few days. Decay means to rot or decompose. Decomposing. The leaves are decomposing on the forest floor. Decomposing means breaking down into simpler substances. Degradation. Soil degradation is a serious environmental issue. Degradation refers to the decline in quality or condition. Desert-like test plots. They used desert-like test plots for their research. Desert-like test plots are experimental areas that mimic desert conditions. Drone survey. A drone survey was conducted to map the area. A drone survey involves using unmanned aerial vehicles to collect data. Emerge. New problems emerge as the project progresses. To emerge means to become visible or known. Enrich. Compost can enrich the soil. To enrich means to improve the quality or value of something. Excess. Remove any excess oil from the surface. Excess means more than what is needed or usual. Farmable soil. Farmable soil is essential for agriculture. Farmable soil is land that is suitable for growing crops. Fertile. The valley is known for its fertile land. Fertile land is rich in nutrients and good for growing plants. Flourish. The plants flourish in this rich soil. To flourish means to grow or develop well. Freely accessible to. The library is freely accessible to the public. Freely accessible means available to everyone without restriction. Fungi. Fungi play a vital role in the ecosystem. Fungi are organisms like mushrooms that decompose organic matter. In an attempt, he ran faster in an attempt to win the race. In an attempt means trying to achieve something. Indiscriminate use. Indiscriminate use of pesticides can harm the environment. Indiscriminate use means using something without careful judgment. Map. Scientists aim to map the human genome. To map means to chart or represent something systematically. Microorganism. Microorganisms are essential for soil health. Microorganisms are tiny living organisms like bacteria and fungi. Mineral. The soil is rich in minerals. Minerals are natural substances found in the earth that are essential for life. Nourish. The mother nourishes her baby with care. To nourish means to provide food or other substances needed for growth and health. On the brink. The company is on the brink of bankruptcy. On the brink means very close to something, usually something negative. Pierce dirt. The plant roots pierce dirt easily. To pierce dirt means to penetrate or break through soil. Property. Water has unique properties. Property refers to a characteristic or quality of something. Real-time data. We need real-time data for accurate predictions. Real-time data is information that is available immediately as events occur. Satellite imagery. The satellite imagery shows the extent of the damage. Satellite imagery is photos of Earth taken from satellites in space. Shape expectations. Advertising helps to shape expectations. To shape expectations means to influence what people believe or expect. Start out. She started out as a teacher before becoming a principal. Start out means to begin one's career or journey. Sustain. The resources must sustain the population. To sustain means to support or maintain over time. Synthetic fertilizer. Farmers often use synthetic fertilizers. Synthetic fertilizers are man-made chemicals used to promote plant growth. Unify. The leader aimed to unify the divided groups. To unify means to bring together or combine into one. Unspoiled soils. Unspoiled soils are crucial for sustainable farming. Unspoiled soils are untouched and free from contamination.